Hi folks, I am Devanshi Sharma, founder of Mithaas Services. And this video is information about what are the services that we provide and how can you reach out to us. So first of all, Mithaas Services works on three different streams of working. The first wing is mentorship, where we provide writing workshops, creative writing workshops for kids. We have content writing workshops, copywriting workshops that can really help you in understanding how you can make a career with writing. You know, when we started Mithas, our vision was कि writing सिर्फ एक hobby नहीं है. It is and it definitely can be your career. हम तो writing को काफी seriously लेते हैं. We just want the world to take it as seriously. In the last 6.5 years, we have more than 11,000 happy participants from our writing workshops. Not just that, all 11,000 of them are connected with us on our emailers and WhatsApp groups. Not just that, we keep posting all the job opportunities and opportunities related to internships on our groups. Idea is to genuinely bring value from our writing courses. The second space that we work around is publishing. If you're an author, you want to publish your book, we do provide all the services starting from editing, cover designing, typesetting, interior book designing, illustration designing, printing, publishing, ISBN development, and marketing. We have a partnered publishing model where the author and the publisher work together to promote the book and publish the book. The idea is that you help us with the creative content that you are writing, you help us with the ideas, and we help you with our expertise in marketing. We've always been a part of the author's journey to promote their book. Proof of that is that from the last 6 years, we have been participating in almost all the national book fairs that have been happening. And no, we don't go back to the author saying that, hey, we're participating here. If you want to display your book, now you pay extra. No, we do the marketing at our end. Also, we have been participating in all the metro book fairs, Delhi, Mumbai, Kolkata. Also, we have been participating in the tier 2 city book fairs or tier 3 city book fairs as well. We firmly believe that there are a lot of readers. You just need to find the right audience. The third space that we are working in is book marketing. We are working on creating book trailers, book covers, book blurbs for authors not just of Mithaas but also of other publishing houses. So these are majorly our services that we are providing to the authors. We'll be more than happy to discuss how we can help you promote your book to the audience. Write to us on connect@mithaasservices.com because honestly, you'll not find someone more passionate about books than our 17 people team based in Delhi. We've been operational for 6 years. We are a registered company. We work on documentation. No idhar udhar ki baatein, just straight working and helping you grow. Write to us and we'll help you take your book to the mass audience.